Today's tutorial is not going to be super long, but it's really important because I want you to understand exactly what I'm asking you to do. So yesterday I had you go through a pretty lengthy lesson and try to categorize where you thought the persuasive techniques belonged. What I want you to do today is revisit what you did. Okay, go back to your slide. And then I want you to open up this persuasive techniques form, Google form, and you're going to put in your first and last name. And then for each of the categories, all right, Raja break. This is my cat, Raja. She thinks she's a trash panda now because she started climbing into the trash can. That was our little break for the day. All right, let's get back to the assignment. So what I did was I listed all of the different persuasive techniques that we learned yesterday. And what I want you to do using your work from yesterday is click multiple choice whether you think it best fits under ethos, pathos, or logos. Once you have answered all of those, okay, like I'm going to just kind of randomly, I kind of hate to go random, but I will because it might kind of mess up your survey results, but I believe in you. I think I might be able to go through and redo this anyway. I'm sorry, you guys. It is 11 o'clock at night. I've been doing this all day. I am so tired. All right. So you go through and you make your suggestions. Okay. You decide where you think they go. And you submit. And after you've submitted it, you should be able to see other classmates' responses. So what I want you to do is go ahead and click on See Previous Responses. What this is going to do is it's going to give you a bunch of pie charts. And right now, those pie charts, I'll say 100% because there's only one response, mine. And mine were poor responses. I just randomly chose them. So it's going to show you, okay, X% of people thought repetition was ethos, and X% thought it was pathos, and X% thought it was logos. All right. So I want you to take a look at those results and just kind of think about your response to them. Like, do you agree? Do you disagree? Are you surprised at all at how the results came out? Or are you not surprised because it seems like everybody agreed? Or, just really observe what you're seeing here. So the directions tell you to do this because today's assignment is posted as a Google question. You're going to have to actually answer the question. And I know that your screen looks different than mine. If I recall correctly, you should have a box up here that says, to type your response there. So here's what I want you to be aware of. One, you're going to watch this tutorial, which you're already doing. 2, please complete that survey by 6 o'clock. And the reason I'm asking you to complete it early is because you all need to respond in order for you all to be able to look at the results. If we were just in class doing this, I would give you 5 minutes to do it. And we would all finish it, and then we'd all look at the results together. But we don't have that kind of opportunity right now, okay? So I'm asking you to please be on the ball, finish that survey by 6 o'clock so that early birds can come back and take a look at the results of the whole class and not just the results of like 2 or 3 people who managed to get it done early. Okay. Super important to your peers that you do this. So then you're going to look at the responses in the charts that break down the results. 3, answer the following questions in the comment box. Oh my gosh. I'm suddenly Miss Yanni. You guys, I think this is my last screencast of the night. Let me back up. Answer the following questions in the comment box. What surprised you about the results? Did you see results that were different than what you expected, or were they exactly as you expected, or was there a combination of the two? What did you learn about the different persuasive techniques by looking at the results of this poll? So you'll type your response, and it'll have a lot because that's a lot of questions. Okay? And that's it for today. That is the assignment. Okay? Tomorrow, we are going to look at some pieces of media that use the techniques, and you're going to try to determine which techniques are being used in that particular piece of media. Okay? So have a great day, and I will talk to you again tomorrow.